After sales initiates a new project, that project flows to design. Our award-winning design team operates out of our corporate headquarters just outside of Seattle and our branch office in Portland, Oregon. This team includes 3 structural designers as well as our full-time sample maker, who powers our ability to deliver structural samples to our clients quickly, keeping your project moving forward. Our discovery process sets the BoxMaker apart. Our sales team is trained to ask you many questions up front about each project, and they often come back with even more questions. Their aim is to reduce the number of design revisions needed to deliver your desired outcome. This information is then handed off to our design team in your project's web center. Based upon the information provided to them in Web Center, our design team then ideates and marries client needs to your vision to create a custom design. The design process typically takes 3 to 5 days, but can take up to 2 weeks for complex structures. Simple standards are more immediate and make up 70% of the requests, freeing our design team to primarily focus on more specialized projects. The BoxMaker is material neutral, meaning that we are able to design across a variety of packaging materials, not just those that we manufacture or convert in-house. Following design, a structural sample is created for approval. After approval of the sample, the project can be quoted by our estimating department, and quotes are typically completed within 48 hours. Once an order is printed and cut, product flows directly to our fulfillment division, where we can perform many value-added services. Our team can handle anything from simple display assembly to packing displays or boxes with your product and drop shipping to retailers or directly to your consumer. With a little information up front from you, we can even multi-pack flat displays into a shipper with assembly instructions and ship to retail merchandisers for setup, providing you with tracking information for each pack shipped. Think of our fulfillment team as a flexible labor pool that can enhance your existing operations without the added overhead or management. We adjust based on customer demand and can scale from light assembly all the way up to full pallet displays for club stores. The BoxMaker has been a custom foam converter since 1992. We convert a vast variety of raw materials to produce custom protective solutions for our clients' unique needs. This includes die cutting, heat welding, and laminating polyethylene and polyurethane foams, and pre-molding Instafoam. We can even convert some custom foam mortars on our dieless CAD tables. The BoxMaker is a distributor of over 10,000 standard packaging and supply items in addition to our customized product offerings, such as stretch film, tape, poly bags, bin liners, foam coolers, and gel ice. We carry over 400 lines of product on site, and the rest are supplied through strategic partners. We rotate product weekly. During the day, we receive product from third-party vendors and then pack it overnight for the next day's deliveries. We also operate inventory and stocking agreements with our clients, with a 30-day turn on all stored product. These just-in-time inventory programs save our clients on warehousing costs and free up cash flow that would otherwise be tied up in unused inventory. We own and operate our own logistics. Client orders are loaded onto transfer trucks that deliver to our 6 additional locations throughout Washington and Oregon for local delivery. Our drivers are an integral part of our team at the BoxMaker and have as much of a relationship with many of our clients as do our sales representatives or client service specialists. This team takes great pride in the products they deliver, and I should know because my first job in this industry was as a driver. Hopefully today's virtual tour will spark many questions about how we can help you solve your business's packaging problems. Send your questions to one of our packaging advisors by emailing us at info@boxmaker.com or reaching out to your dedicated sales representative at any time.